Welcome to the new episode of HTML Practical. In this session, I am going to discuss about the image tag. The image to add the image in your web page, we have to use img tag. So with the help of img tag, we can add image to our web page. So you can see on your screen that this is the img tag. It defines the image in HTML page. img tag has two required attribute. The one is src and another one is alt. Src is like the source that you have to define for the image, which specify the URL of the image where you have stored your image on your computer, so that the whole location, the path or the URL you have to mention with the src attribute. The another attribute is alt attribute. Suppose if image is not load on your web page, so uh, with the help of alt attribute you can provide the alternative text, so that you can give the information to the user that this image is not loaded, but this image is for, this is the image. So you can add the name of the image or any description you can add to this alt attribute. The other optional attributes are border, height, width and use map. The use map attribute I will discuss in my next lecture, because along with the image we are going to learn the image mapping. So when we learn the mapping tag, so we have to use this use map attribute. So I'll discuss later on. The border, you can apply the border to your image. You can apply the height, width, you can set the height and width of your image, right? So this is the example. The image tag space src attribute, so the name of your file. If your file name, if your HTML file and image file both are in same folder, so no need to apply the whole path, right? If the locations of these two files are different, then you have to apply the whole path. You have to add the whole path. The alternative text is, let's say, suppose the image is smiley. If it won't load on your web page, on your browser, so the text will be displayed that this is the smiley face image. And the width and the height of the image, you can apply the width and the height in the value, as per the pixels. It sets the height and the width, or you can apply in percentage value. So in pixel and percentage both are working. So let's see. I'm going to open the code how you can add the image to your web page. So you can see that I have used HTML tag. So in HTML I'm going to add head tag, and I will add title to this web page. Let's say image tag. I'll close the title tag. Then I have opened body tag and image, the src india.jpg. The width of the image is 54% of your screen, right, of your browser window, and the height is 42% of your screen. The next is alt. So in alternative text I have applied country as a text, and align is sorry, you cannot use align attribute. For that you have to either use division tag, span tag, or you can, I mean, without text you can use paragraph tag and you can apply the alignment, right? But alignment attribute won't work with the image tag, so I'll remove it. So we have src, width, height and alt. So I have, see, my simple underscore image dot html and india.jpg both are in same folder. So let us just open the output, I mean browser window. So this is the output of your document, your web page. Let me change the size. Instead of percentage, let's say this is height is 555 and width is also 555. See, so this is how you can change the height and the width of the image. So that's it for today. We'll meet soon in the next session.